open it. Like I'll do the rest. You just record it. Like you just keep my chotu sa photo and record it.
I'm recording. It has
Yeah.
started.
Okay, guys. All right. Amazing. Okay, guys. We are going to read with Didi. This is our listening time. Listening time means we are going to read with Didi. This is our objective for today. I want to see everyone reading with Didi. Okay. We will be able to. Thank you, Muskan. Place integers. Very good, Miss Panshifa. On the number line. Very good, Basharat. Okay. Very good, guys, for reading. What we are going to do now is we are going to take 1 minute. This is your writing time. We are going to take 1 minute and we are going to write the objective in our notebook. Faiza, and we are continuing with the same objective. Okay, we had done this objective last time. We are doing the same objective today. Very good. I can see Fatima has started writing. I can see Shifa writing, Sahil Yaqub writing. Amazing. Nausheen is done. Very good. Anuj, show your face, okay? Sameer is asking. Guys, everybody will show me a thumbs up once you write the objective in your notebooks. Habib, we are starting with the objective. Continuing with the objective we were doing last time. We will be able to place integers on the number line. Thank you, Sameer. Anuj, you want to say something?
कट के आ रही है.
अभी अच्छे से आ रही है?
No.
एक बार कॉल लीव करके ज्वाइन करो. ओके अनुज.
नहीं नहीं
Okay.
अनु डोंट लीव. सौम्या तेरी आवाज सच में कट के आ रही थी. आई थिंक इट वाज इशू विद योर नेटवर्क.
Okay, now is it coming properly?
Yeah. Now
अच्छा,
it's
ठीक है,
proper.
ठीक है. Amazing. Yeah. Okay, guys, give me a thumbs up once you can hear me nicely. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me nicely. Misbah, Aniket, Shifa can hear me. Okay, amazing, guys. Fatima can hear me. Okay, and give me a thumbs up if you've written the objective in your notebooks. Muskan is done. Shifa is done. Fatima is done. Guys, take 10 more seconds to write the objective and then we will move on. Khushi is done. Nausheen is done. Thank you, Habib. Thank you, Basharat, Zoya, Sameer, Shabista. Amazing. Thank you, Sabah. Thank you, Aniket. Thank you, Sarfaraz. Alright, guys, we are going to move on, okay? Thank you, Asif. Alright. So, yesterday I'm saying, in the last class, we had revised what are natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers, okay? In this class, we are going to study about how to place different integers on the number line. Hi, Mehak. Mehak, we're starting with this objective, okay? Good afternoon. All right, guys, we're going to move on. All right, everyone, this is our listening time. We are going to read with Didi. Didi will read about what is the number line and we are going to repeat with Didi, okay? A number line is a straight line with numbers placed at, very good Fatima, equal intervals. Numbers to the left, thank you Misbah, of 0 are negative integers. Very good, Joseph. Numbers to the right of 0 are positive integers. Okay, guys, we are going to take 2 minutes of writing time and write this in our notebooks, and then we will try to understand what this is. Okay, we are going to take 2 minutes of writing time and write this in our notebooks, and then we will try to understand what this is. Very good. I can see Shifa writing. I can see Fatima writing. I can see Muskan writing. Very good, guys. Amazing. I can see Joseph writing. I can see Sarfaraz writing. Adit, you have to write this in your maths notebook, okay? Okay, Adit. Guys, you'll show me a thumbs up once you're done writing, okay? I can see Noshin writing. Very good, Noshin. I can see Habib writing. I can see Sarfaraz writing. Very good, Sarfaraz. Very good, Shifa. Amazing, guys. I can see everyone on task. Everyone will show me a thumbs up once they're done. Amazing, Shifa is done. Aniket is done. Faizan is done. Very good, guys. Saba, Aniket, amazing. Vivek is done. We'll take 1 more minute and finish this, okay? Muskan is done. Thank you, Muskan. Sameer is done. Thank you, Sameer, for sharing. Mehak is done. Thank you, Mehak, for sharing. Naushin is done. Thank you, Naushin. Thank you, Habib. Thank you, Aniket. Thank you, Joseph. Guys, we'll take 30 more seconds and then we will move on. Shifa is done. I can see Mantasha writing. Fatima is done. Very good. All those who are writing, take 10 more seconds, okay? Farzana is done. Amazing, guys. All right. Now listening time. We are going to listen to Didi. So what is a number line? Very simple. Number line is a straight line. It has arrows on both sides, which has numbers which are placed at equal intervals. Okay, that means the space between all the numbers is the same. Okay, the numbers to the left of 0 are negative integers. Last time we saw what are negative and what are positive integers. So numbers that are to the left of 0 are negative integers, and numbers which are to the right of 0 are positive integers. Okay, I'm sure you guys have understood this so far. So this is what a number line looks like. There is 0 in the middle, which is neither positive nor negative. Numbers to the left of 0 are negative integers, and numbers to the right of 0 are positive integers. Okay. We will all take 1 minute and draw this in our notebook. Writing time, guys. We will take 1 minute and draw this in our notebook. This is a numbered line with 0, negative integers, and positive integers. Writing time, guys. We will all take 1 minute and draw this in our notebooks. Very good. I can see Vivek is drawing it in his notebook. Yes, Adit. Adit, you want to say something?
टीचर
Yes.
टीचर अभी तक मेरा वो लिख के नहीं हुआ है ऑब्जेक्टिव और वो
कोई बात नहीं आदित, you'll do it later.
हाँ
अभी ये करो, ठीक है?
हाँ
अभी ये ड्रॉ करो. ओके, थैंक यू आदित, नो प्रॉब्लम. Very good. I can see Habib is drawing. Muskan is drawing. Sarfaraz is drawing. Shifa is drawing. Amazing, guys. Misbah is drawing. Sameer is drawing. Sahil is drawing. Very good, guys. Okay, I'm very proud of you. All of you are on task. Everyone will show me a thumbs up once they are done. Very good, Joseph. Yes, Adit, you want to say something? Yes, Adit.
क्या
Say.
ऐसे बना सकते हैं
कैसे? बुक टेढ़ा करके?
हाँ
नो प्रॉब्लम, टेढ़ा करके बना सकते हो बुक. ओके, हाँ ऐसे भी बना सकते हो आदित, नो प्रॉब्लम. गाइस, बुक टेढ़ा करके भी बना सकते हो. ओके, इट्स नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. Vivek is done. Thank you, Vivek. Vivek, send it only once, okay? Don't keep sending done. Thank you, Vivek, for sharing. Guys, show me a thumbs up once you are done, okay? Farzana is done. Aniket is done. Sahil is done. Zoya is done. Asif is done. Sabah is done. Muskan is done. Sahil is done. Shifa is done. Amazing, guys. You guys are doing amazing. Very good. Gaurav and Shabista are done. Very good. Mehak is done. Amazing, Mehak. Aniket is done. Mispa is done. Muskan, you want to ask something? Yes, Muskan. Acha, Muskan doesn't want to say anything. No problem, Muskan. Guys, everyone will show me a thumbs up once they are done, okay? No problem, Muskan. Everyone will show me a thumbs up. Very good, Joseph, Fatima, Shifa. Amazing, guys. Thank you, Shifa, for sharing. Noshin is done. Amazing. Okay, guys, now listening time going on. Listening time, we are going to listen to Didi and answer the questions which Didi will ask us. Okay. Um, Shifa, why do you think there are arrows on both the sides of the number line? Why do you think there are arrows?
Because there is negative number and positive number.
Amazing. Thank you for sharing, Shifa. Does anybody else want to share why are there arrows? On both the sides, there are arrows like this, right? Why are there arrows on both the sides? Falak is raising hand. See, these are the arrows I'm talking about. On both the sides, there are arrows. Why are these arrows there? Mantasha wants to share. Mantasha and then Falak. Yes, Mantasha.
टीचर जो बीच में जीरो है ना वो आधा ये साइड है आधा वो साइड है.
Okay, thank you for sharing. Anybody else wants to share why are there arrows on either side? Yes, Misbah, you want to share why are there two arrows?
Yes, that there are errors because there is ending part like it is -1, -2, -3, -4. So in this arrow we have to write the last number in two of them.
Okay. Thank you very much, Misbah, for sharing. I will take Falak, then Iram. Okay. Falak, Huzaif, and then Iram. And then Shabista is also raising her hand. Yes, Falak, you want to share?
Didi, there is arrow in the line because the number is infinity. It is going infinity.
It is going to infinity. Okay, thank you very much, Falak, for sharing. Anybody else wants to try? Iram, you want to try? Why can we see two arrows?
Didi, I was also wanting to answer the same. There are infinity numbers.
There are infinity numbers. Okay, thank you for sharing. Huzaif, you want to share?
Didi,
Yes.
left side negative or right side positive.
Okay, thank you very much, Jose, for sharing. Faizan has also shared the same answer. Increasing and decreasing numbers till infinity. Thank you for sharing, Faizan. Thank you for sharing, Sabah. Okay, guys, I want to take your response, but there's not enough time. Shabista and Habib, I'll take your answers later, okay? Thank you, guys, everyone, for sharing. What you shared was absolutely right. Why do we see two arrows? Because the numbers are increasing to infinity. Okay, just because we can see -4 to -4 to 4 here does not mean that there are only these many numbers on the number line. Okay, the numbers are till infinity, which means 4, 5, 6 till infinity numbers are there on the number line. We are just showing this much part. So the arrow represents infinity. What does the arrow represent? Infinity. Fatima, you want to ask something? No? Okay, no problem. So 0 is neither positive or negative. This is something we had studied in the last class. 0 positive bhi nahi hota, negative bhi nahi hota. To the left of 0, we have negative integers, and to the right of 0, we have positive integers, and we have arrow on both the sides in the number line, which represents infinity, which means that numbers on the number line stretch from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, to the left side arrow means minus infinity, and to the right side arrow means plus infinity. Okay, amazing, guys. Listening time, everybody will repeat with Didi. Didi will read what is written on the screen, and we are going to repeat with Didi. We are going to read with Didi. Okay, the number on the left is less. Very good, Mantish and Joseph. Very good, Iram. Than a number on the right. Guys, everyone will read with me, okay? We will write later. We'll keep our pens down and only read. A number on the right is greater than a number on the left. Very good, Farzana. Left to right, numbers increase. Right to left. Very good, Vivek. Numbers decrease. We are going to take 2 minutes of writing time and write this in our notebooks. We are going to take 2 minutes of writing time and write this in our notebooks. Very good. I can see Fatima has started writing. I can see Iram writing, Huzef writing. Very good, guys. 2 minutes of writing time. We'll finish writing. Okay, guys. Very good, Sarfaraz. Very good, Vivek. Very good, Adit. Very good, Habib. And we'll show a thumbs up once we are done writing. Okay. Very good, Sahil. Very good, Shifa. Aniket is done. Amazing, Aniket. आदित बातें मत करो आदित लिखो very good Afreen. Misbah is done. Very good Misbah. Shifa is done. Very good Shifa. अनिकेत लिखो हो गया अच्छा ओके थैंक यू अनिकेत Vivek is also done. Oh, Muskan also shared there are infinity numbers in the group. Thank you, Muskan, for sharing. Basharat is also done. Rabia is also done. Shavista is also done. Amazing, guys. Guys, there are so many of you today. I love it. So many of you have come to maths class. Yay. Thank you, Sabah. So happy. Guys are studying so well. Thank you, Fatima. Fatima, you want to say something? You've raised your hand. You want to say something? Yes, say, Baba.
दीदी मैं क्लास कभी खत्म होंगी
3:15 को, okay? Okay. Mantisha is done. Thank you, Mantisha. Shifa is done. Asif, I did not understand your question. Adit is done. Very good, Adit. Guys, we will take 30 more seconds and then we will move on, okay? We will take 30 more seconds and then we will move on. Khushi is done. Thank you, Khushi. Sarfraz is also done. Amazing, guys. We'll move on, okay? All right. So, what is written here is that, guys, listening time, okay? Nobody is writing. Pens down, listening to Didi. When we go from left to right, the numbers increase, okay? Which means all the positive numbers are greater than all the negative numbers. And when we are coming from right to left, numbers are decreasing. So you can see this green color arrow which says greater. It means numbers are increasing as we are going from left to right. And you can see the yellow color arrow which says less, which means numbers are decreasing as we are going from right to left. Okay. So as we go towards right, numbers increase, and as we go towards left, numbers decrease. Fatima, can you repeat what Didi said? Try. It's okay. Try. Fatima, you have to repeat. You can't say no. Acha, okay, no problem. Shifa, can you repeat what did Didi say?
Didi, there is two arrows. One that green was saying that number was positive and that number get greater, and the left side orange color said negative number. What's it's less.
Thank you very much, Shifa, for repeating. Anybody else wants to repeat what did Didi say? Habib, you want to repeat what did Didi say? What did Didi explain? Yes, Habib. Yes, Habib.
जो ग्रीन नंबर है ना, ग्रेटर ग्रीन नंबर के जहाँ पे एरो दिखा रहा है वहाँ पे नहीं डिक्रीज होता है, इंक्रीज होता है, और ना जहाँ पे लेस दिखा रहा है येलो रेड वाला पे नेगेटिव होता है.
Thank you very much, Habib, for sharing. Thank you very much for sharing, Shifa and Habib. Shabista is also raising her hand. Shabista, you want to share?
Yes, Didi.
Say.
Didi, the green line says that the negative number is going to the positive. This is increasing, and the yellow line says that the number of positive to negative is decreasing.
Amazing. Thank you guys for sharing. What Didi is saying is that when we are going from left to right, when we are going this side, when we are going from left to right, the numbers are increasing. Numbers बड़े होते जा रहे हैं, and when we are going from right to left, the numbers are decreasing. Numbers कम होते जा रहे हैं. Okay, so if you see, 6 is to the right of 4, that is why 6 is bigger, whereas -2 is to the left of 0, that is why -2 is less. Okay, अगर कोई नंबर लेफ्ट साइड में है तो कम है, और अगर कोई नंबर राइट साइड में है तो ज्यादा है. ओके, लेफ्ट टू राइट numbers are increasing, right to left on the number line the numbers are decreasing. Okay, Vivek, I'll tell you when to write. Okay, all right, guys, we are going to take Shabista, I'll take your question when everyone is writing. Okay, we are going to take 2 minutes to draw this in our notebooks. This is your writing time. We will take 2 minutes and we will draw this in our notebook. Okay, I can see Iram drawing. Very good. Yes, Shabista, you want to say something?
दीदी, जब जीरो मतलब अगेन हाँ दीदी, जब दीदी एक क्वेश्चन मेरे को पूछना है कि जब मतलब एक क्वेश्चन आया है कि मतलब कौन सा ग्रेटर है, और आया है कि 0 और -5, तो हम लोग किसमें से 0 कौन सा ग्रेटर होएगा?
राइट साइड पे क्या है?
पॉजिटिव.
राइट साइड पे कौन सा नंबर है? 0 है कि नेगेटिव नंबर है?
0.
तो बड़ा कौन सा होगा?
0.
गॉट इट?
हाँ.
तो जो नंबर राइट साइड में है वो बड़ा होगा, जो नंबर लेफ्ट में है वो छोटा होगा. गॉट इट? Got it? Very good. Excellent. Thank you for asking that, Shabista. Mantasha is done. Amazing. Guys, I am going to ask you quick questions, okay? Mantasha, which number is bigger, -4 or -2? Which number is greater, -4 or -2? -4 is bigger. Which number is to the right?
Right. 2.
-4 या -2 में से राइट साइड में कौन सा नंबर है?
2.
तो ग्रेटर नंबर कौन सा होगा?
2.
-2. Okay, got it, Mantasha? So, if Didi asks you which is a greater number, -2 or -4, you will see which number is to the right side. So, because -2 is on the right side of -4, -2 is bigger. Okay. Fatima, you want to say something? Thank you very much, Sahir and Mehak. Yes.
दीदी लिखने का है.
Yes, you have to write, Fatima. You have to write this in your note. Okay. Thank you, Matisha. Misbah is raising hand. Misbah is no. Okay. Sarfaraz is done. Thank you, Sarfaraz. Gaurav. All these guys who have your cameras off, Zoya, Gaurav, Faizan, Basharat, Zaid, Sameer, Sabah, just tell me once you're done, okay? Because I can't see you writing. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you, guys. Sahil, are you raising your hand? Zaid is done. Thank you. Habib is done. Thank you. Sahil, do you want to say something? 1 minute, okay. Sahil, you want to say something? Okay, no problem, Sahil. Zoya is done. Amazing. Habib, quick question. Which number is greater? -1 or -6? Which number is greater? -1 or
-1.
by?
Miss, because -6.
Say, you're going right. Say.
Because Miss -6 is मतलब वो गिर गया है नंबर उसका कम होते जा गए हो.
क्योंकि वो -1 के लेफ्ट साइड में है. ओके. क्योंकि वो -1 के लेफ्ट साइड में है तो इट इज लेस देन -1. Okay, amazing, guys. We are going to take 10 more seconds and then we will move on. Shabista, you want to share something?
वो दीदी मैं आंसर बता रही थी.
हाँ, it's okay. Say.
बोलू दीदी आंसर?
Yes. Say. Yes, Faizan. Thank you.
-1 is greater than -6 because -6 is left from -1.
Amazing. Very good, Shabista. Thank you for repeating. -1 is to the right of -6. -6 is to the left of -1. That's why -6 is lesser. Okay. Amazing, guys. We are going to move on to the next exercise. Aniket is done. Sarfraz, are you done? Take 5 more seconds, okay? बोलो क्या, are you done, बाबा? सरफराज नहीं? ओके
टीचर वो पूरा लिखना है ना टीचर?
हाँ बाबा, पूरा ड्रॉ करना है।
टीचर वो पहले वाला सबसे पहला टीचर बोल रहे थे ना, वो आधा थोड़ा एक लाइन थोड़ा सा बाकी था।
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, ये हो गया।
टीचर थोड़ा सा बाकी है।
ओके ठीक है, टेक 1 minute and then we will move on. Very good, Shifa. Thank you. Thank you, Viram. All right, guys, we are going to move on. Okay. What we have to do next is we are going to take, this is our working time. This is our first exercise. What we are going to do is we are going to take 2 minutes. We are going to draw a number line in our notebooks and we will mark the following numbers. Okay. Fatima, you will not play while I'm explaining. Okay. All right, guys. Everyone will make a number line in their notebooks. 4 0. Once you're done marking these numbers. Shifa, 1 minute. Okay, I'll unmute you. Guys, this is our writing time. We're doing this question in our notebook. Okay. Yes, Shifa, bolo. Yes, Shifa.
दीदी ओ मम्मी आवाज नहीं।
बाबा आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, अनम्यूट करके बोलो। शिफा अनम्यूट करके बोलो बाबा। यस मिस बा, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से?
दीदी एक बार और समझाओ ना, उसमें आवाज नहीं आई थी।
अच्छा क्वेश्चन दोबारा बोलूं मैं?
हाँ
अच्छा ठीक है गाइज, आई विल रिपीट, ओके, डोंट वरी। आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू मार्क दीज नंबर्स on the number line. So what you have to do is you have to make a number line. You have to make a number line and you have to mark these numbers. You have to mark where these numbers are on the number line. Okay, 6 4 0 -2 -6 -3. Everyone will show me their notebook once they have done this so that I know what you are doing. Guys, write the question also, okay? Don't directly solve it. First write the question and then you will solve the answer. Yes, Adit. Yes, Adit.
क्या करना है टीचर?
आदित, पहले हमको क्वेश्चन लिखना है। ये क्वेश्चन हम अपनी नोटबुक में लिखेंगे, फिर हम नंबर लाइन बनाएंगे, एक अपनी खुद की नंबर लाइन, और दीदी ने जो नंबर्स दिए हैं उनको मार्क करेंगे नंबर लाइन में, ठीक है? वो नंबर लाइन में कहाँ है मार्क करेंगे। नो फैजान, यू हैव टू एक ही नंबर लाइन में सारे नंबर्स मार्क करना है। ओके, डोंट मेक 6 डिफरेंट नंबर लाइंस। 6 अलग अलग नंबर लाइन नहीं बने हैं, एक ही नंबर लाइन में सारे 6 नंबर्स को मार्क करना है। ओके फैजान, इज योर आंसर, इज योर क्वेश्चन आंसर्ड? don't make 6 different number lines. On just one number line, mark all the numbers. I can see Habib is drawing a number line. Very good, Habib. Now mark all the numbers on that number line, Habib. Shifa, you want to ask something? Yes, Shifa.
दीदी हम लोग को उसमें मतलब जैसे आपने नंबर दिए तो जो लेफ्ट साइड में लगता है वैसा लिखना है ना, लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड वाला नंबर।
हाँ, तो जो मैंने नंबर्स लिखे हैं ना यहाँ पर शिफा, वो नंबर्स आपको नंबर लाइन बनाकर नंबर लाइन पे सर्कल करना है, ठीक है? जो नंबर्स हैं वो सर्कल करना है आपको। आपको ये क्वेश्चन लिखना है। सबसे पहले आपको ये क्वेश्चन अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है, उसके बाद आपको नंबर लाइन बनानी है। और थैंक यू इरम। और उस नंबर लाइन में ये नंबर्स मार्क करने हैं। ओके गाइज, ऑल दोज आर शोइंग मी अ थम्स अप। मुझे अपनी नोटबुक दिखाओ स्क्रीन पे, सो दैट आई कैन सी व्हाट यू आर डूइंग। वेरी गुड, आई कैन सी विवेक्स नंबर लाइन। अमेजिंग विवेक। I can see Iram's number line. Amazing. Adit, you want to ask something?
टीचर,
हाँ,
जो इसके पहले जो बनाए थे नंबर लाइन, उसमें करना है?
नहीं, नया नंबर लाइन बनाओ, ठीक है? नया नंबर लाइन बनाओ आदित्य, और उसमें ये नंबर्स मार्क करो, ठीक है? पुराने नंबर लाइन में नहीं करना है, नया नंबर लाइन बनाओ। ओके, क्वेश्चन के लिए। गॉट इट? Mehak is done. Guys, for this, don't tell me done. Show me your notebook on the screen. I can see Aniket's notebook. Very good, Aniket. I can see Mantasha's notebook. Very good, Mantasha. I can see Misbah's notebook. Very good, Misbah. Very good, Mantasha. Very good, Samir. Very good, Faizan. Amazing. Faizan, very neat and tidy. Very good, Faizan. Asif is also showing me. Very good, Asif. Amazing. Aniket is done. Thank you. We'll take one more minute, then we will move on, okay? Oh, okay, guys. Fatima is, I can see Fatima's notebook. Very good, Fatima. Okay, guys, we are going to move on. So what will it look like? What will our answer look like? Our answer will look something like this. Okay, where we have drawn a number line and we have marked the numbers like this. If you were right, if आपका आंसर सही था, अगर आपने सारे आंसर्स सही से मार्क किए, तो give yourself a pat on the back. अगर आपने सारे आंसर्स अगर आपने सारे नंबर्स अच्छे से मार्क किए अपनी नोटबुक में, तो give yourself a pat at the back. ऐसे खुद को पैट करो अगर आपने सॉल्व अच्छे से किया है तो. I can see nobody patting themselves. Oh, I can see Khushi patting herself. I can see Misbah. Very good, guys. Very good, Aniket. Very good, Mantasha. Very good, Vivek. Amazing, guys. Okay, well done. We'll move on to the next question. Okay, Joseph is showing me his notebook. Very good, Joseph. Well done. Okay, guys, we're going to move on. This is how we mark numbers on the number line. Yes.
हेलो
Yes,
दीदी.
yes, yes, yes. बोलो.
दीदी मेरा नहीं
हाँ.
हुआ अभी तक. दीदी मेरा नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
अच्छा, Fatima, we'll do it later. Our time is running out now. Taska, we'll do it later, okay? We will move on. All those who are left, you can complete it later, okay, guys? Because then we will not get time to do everything. Okay, guys, what we are going to do now? Yes, Habib will finish it. So when you get a question to mark numbers on the number line, this is how we mark it. Okay. So ऐसे हम लोग numbers mark करते हैं number line में. All of you did absolutely well. Okay. All of you did it well. We're going to move on to the next question. This is fill in the blanks question. We are going to take 3 minutes to solve these questions and then we will come back and discuss the answers. ठीक है? हम लोग 3 मिनट लेंगे, fill in the blanks solve करेंगे और फिर आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे. यस विवेक. सॉरी विवेक, बोलो.
मीन्स हम लोग को क्वेश्चन के साथ लिखना है, सीधे डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखना है.
नो, क्वेश्चन के साथ लिखना है. ठीक है
Okay.
विवेक. Guys, write the entire question and then write the answer. Okay, direct answer नहीं लिखना है. डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं लिखना है. पहले एक पूरा क्वेश्चन लिखना है, फिर आंसर लिखना है. Guys, someone was raising their hand. I couldn't notice.
Soumya, it's
yes?
3, huh? Time check.
Yes. I have phone with me. Guys, we'll finish it in next 10-15 minutes. Very good. I can see Habib writing. I can see yes Fatima.
दीदी ये पूरा फिल इन द ब्लैंक सब लिखने का है.
सब कुछ लिखना है. ठीक है गाइस, पहले पूरा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स लिखो और फिर आंसर्स लिखो. ठीक है, डायरेक्ट आंसर्स नहीं लिखना है. वेरी गुड आदित्य, वेरी गुड शिफा, वेरी गुड विवेक. Then we will discuss the answers. Okay. Oh, Muskan Princess. Hi, Muskan Princess. Guys, we will show a thumbs up once we are done. Okay. Eram class will end at 3:15. Asif is done. Thank you, Asif. Very good. I can see Fatima writing, Sarfaraz writing, Adit writing, Khushi writing, Huzaif writing, Habib writing. सरफराज, आंसर भी लिखना है. ठीक है, आंसर भी लिखना है गाइस, बस क्वेश्चंस नहीं लिखना है. दीदी आंसर्स भी चेक करेगी. वेरी गुड शिफा, विवेक, आदित्य. अमेजिंग सरफराज, वेल डन. Very good guys, I can see everyone on task. Guys, show me a thumbs up once you're done. Okay, take 1 more minute and finish it. Then we will discuss the answers. Yes, Muskan, don't worry, okay? Very good, Adit. Amazing, Adit. Well done. Very good, Aniket. Well done, Aniket. Aniket is smiling. Guys, finish it fast, okay? We have to discuss it also. Very good, Shifa. Very good, Kushi. Thank you, Sabah. Um, 30 more seconds, okay, guys? All those who have their cameras off, जिनके camera off है, please give me a thumbs up, okay? Otherwise, I will not know if you're done writing or not. फैजान immediate right means exactly right, मतलब एकदम right side में क्या है, -8 के एकदम right में क्या है, सबसे immediate right में. Okay, guys, we are going to discuss all the answers, okay? Who can tell me the answer to question number 1? Question number 1 का आंसर कौन बताएगा? Thank you very much, Faizan. Guys, raise your hand if you know the answer, okay? I'm sure all of you know the answer. What is the answer to question number 1? Yes, Shifa.
Left.
Thank you very much. Anybody else wants to answer? Anybody else wants to try? Very good, Sabah. Who else wants to try, guys? Guys, try, okay? Try to answer. Thank you very much. Shifa, what is to the, where are negative numbers to the left of 0? Okay. Who can tell me the answer to question number 2? Who can tell me the answer to question number 2? Come on, guys. All of you are very smart. Okay. Try to answer. Yes, Shabista.
Didi, positive numbers.
Thank you very much. Anybody else wants to try? What is the answer to question number 2? Yes, Fatima. What is the answer to question number 2? Fatima, the next time I see you playing while the class is going on, I will have to remove you from call. Okay. We are not playing while the class is going on. Thank you very much, Sabah. Thank you very much, Muskan. Thank you very much, Faizan. Anybody else wants to try, guys? Yes, Habib, you want to try? Yes, Habib.
Miss,
Thank you,
negative
Shifa. Yes,
negative
negative numbers. Okay. Guys, the answer is positive. Okay, what is the answer? The answer is positive. 0 के 0 से greater कौन से numbers होते हैं? Positive numbers. Okay. Who wants to try the third question? Who wants to try the third question? I can see Faizana's answer. Thank you very much. Yes, Fatima. Okay. Aniket, wait for 2 minutes, okay? Then we'll go together. Sahil will go together.
किती थर्ड वाले का आंसर इन्फिनिटी है.
Infinity. Okay, thank you very much, Fatima. Who wants to try the fourth question? Who wants to try the fourth question? Yes, Misbah?
दीदी इन्फिनिटी.
Fourth.
मतलब सामने ऐसे खाते हैं
-7
कैसे होती है?
Okay, thank you very much, Misbah. Who else wants to try the fourth one? Shabista has already answered. Someone new. You're also writing in the chat, right? Faizan is also saying -7. Yes, Shabista, share. What do you want? What do you think is the answer?
दीदी -7.
Okay, thank you very much, Shabista. Okay, guys, these are the answers. Asif, wait, okay, the class is not over, guys. We will not leave right now. Okay. We are going to write the answers in our notebook, okay? We are going to correct our answers on our own. Give me a thumbs up once you've corrected your answers. Yes, Uzef.
सोनिया दीदी अर्बन का वो बोल रही क्लास.
Okay, tell her 3:30, okay? Tell Arpana Didi
Yes.
3:30.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Uzef. Thank you, Vivek. Vivek is done correcting his answers. Guys, please give me a thumbs up once you're done correcting your answers. Very good, Kushi. Very good, Adit. Very good, Shabista. Very good, Shifa. Fatima is done. Shifa is done. Misbah is done. Amazing. Sabha is done. Okay, guys. Amazing. We are going to end the class here. Okay. Arzu,